Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturalsdiy. My name is Sylvia, and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this cream base for body cream and hair cream. So to get started, I have all my measurement ingredients and measurement out. So I'll be listing it on the screen. I'm showing you the measurements I use for each ingredient, and I selected this ingredient based on what I want to achieve. I want it to be a very thick cream base. So here I have my emulsifying wax. I'm using emulsifying wax NF. I'm going to show you the pack, what it looks like. So the next is stearic acid. I'm using stearic acid to help this cream come out the way I want it. So the next ingredient I'm using after adding my stearic acid, I'm using my cedar alcohol, and it helps with the thickening of this cream base. So here I have it. So the first one I added was my stearic acid, and this one is my emulsifying wax, and an emulsifying wax NF. This is my first time of using it, but it came out nicely. And here's what it looks like. I got it from Amazon. You can click on the link below this video. When you click on the link, then you be able to get it if you're interested in it. So the next one I'm using is my aloe vera oil. I made this, and check the link below for on how I made this aloe vera oil. This oil is used on babies and for people with sensitive skin. So that's why I made it. This is aloe vera oil, pure aloe vera oil. So the next one here is my grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight oil. It doesn't clog pores. So but you can feel free to change the oil, use any oil of your choice. But this is what I love using for that I decided to use for this tutorial. This is grapeseed oil. You can use any other lightweight oil like sunflower oil or jojoba oil. So whichever one you prefer is okay. So at this point I'm done with this part, the oil phase of my formulation. So the next one is my water phase. I have my water phase. I'm adding my glycerin to my water phase. So I'm going to list the ingredients on the screen as you watch. So after adding my glycerin in my water phase, so I'm going to put both the oil phase and the water phase in a double boil method. That is putting water in a pan and putting the both phases in the water and place it on a low heat, very low heat. So at this point I'm mixing the glycerin and water. So here I have the both phases. So then the next step is to double boil it. So at this point, I'm done melting the butters. Then I had to add the water phase into the oil phase, then mixing with my whisk. Using the whisk, then I move in with my immersion blender. So at this point, I blend for 2 minutes and leave it for a while, and start again for 2 minutes and leave it for a while. That's what I did until it got to the thickness I want. So at this point, this is what my cream base looks like. To mention, if you want this cream base to be lighter, then reduce the emulsifying wax, the quantity of the emulsifying wax. But this is exactly what I wanted, because a little goes a long way. With a little cream base, you can make a cream much cream more than what you expect, so I wanted this thick so that I can use little from it to make whatever I want. So here's my cream base. The next I'm going to add at this point is my preservative, and because this is a cream base that can be used for hair cream or body cream, so I didn't add any fragrance to it or vitamin E. So those will be added when I decide what I'm making with the cream base. And so stay tuned to this channel, stay connected as I make different creams, different product with this cream base. So at this point I'm adding my preservative. After adding my preservative, then I mix it again. So guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so, and share my videos. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, it would be nice to share it for those maybe you may be helping someone out there who needs to see this cream base. At this point, my cream base is ready. This is very simple and straight to the point. And if you, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want it this thick, try to reduce the ingredients used for this. But like I said as well, this a little goes a long way. So at this point, I'm transferring my cream base into a sterilized container, and this cream base can last up to 1 year plus. And so once you put it in a clean container that doesn't have water in it, it can last you as long as you want it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, don't forget to use the comment section. But however, it would be nice to read your comments. Thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing my video. And to also mention, this cream base goes in smoothly on the skin when you apply it. Then imagine when you mix other active with it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.